you. Looks good. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Going for another walk tonight down Patong Beach Road. Let's go see what we can find. Beautiful evening this evening, about 7:30. Thanks for joining us. Let's go and see what we can find. Well, there's plenty of people out, that's for sure. That makes a difference. Hopefully it does. So I reckon it's about 27 degrees, something like that. 7 o'clock at night, mid-February. So it's perfect weather and there's plenty of people here. Plenty of people. Just outside the Patong International Clinic. Heading towards Amari and Burasari resorts and all those areas up there. Hope you enjoy the walk. Here comes that bloody Thai boxing again. Bloody your eardrums out, guys. Get ready for it. Get ready for it.
Monday night. Muay Thai, international boxer. Muay Thai, international boxer. Most devastating martial arts.
Take on going for it. Overtakes beautifully. Good move on the outside. Oh, more fireworks going off. Probably can't see them, a bit far away from that. So, now there's a truck in the way. Geez, having all the luck tonight. Just walking past Bangla. As you can see. Go for a walk down there later, guys. It's down the middle. Through here. Oh, it's pumping down here. Absolutely pumping. This will excite you. Certainly plenty of people out and about, that's for sure. Tropica restaurant, that looks a little bit empty, but usually pretty full throughout the day as well. So, what's this one? Patong Seafood. Oh, a few people in there having a good night, enjoying a meal. Sweaty cup. Wouldn't surprise me.
Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves.
Enjoyed that trip, that was good. That would have been funny. Watching a vlogger trip ass over tit. A lot of people would like that, that's for sure. Alright, where are we going to Banana Walk now? More chilled area, this spot. Happy bar over there, getting a few people in there. There's the ice cream shop, of course. Looks good. So we're just outside Banana Walk now. Starbucks is there, another pizza shop's there. It's been here for donkeys. There's this young lady who does caricatures and cartoon pictures of people and stuff. She's excellent. Seen her on YouTube before, Sweaty Cup. Yeah, check her out if you can. I don't know her name. God, beautiful. Cover your mouth. More fireworks going off. Don't know if you can really see them. Probably about a couple hundred, about 200 metres away from them, so you probably can't, I would say. No, thank you. The light's probably making it worse. Pancakes, mangoes, that's sticky rice. With mango sticky rice, bloody beautiful. Roxanne Cafe Restaurant. A few people in there, not really. Mamma Mia Thai, no one in there. Sabai to the left, everyone. Go there, people, I'm telling you. Let me know in the comments if you've actually been there or you plan on going there, because it is brilliant. You won't regret it. I'm telling you now. Penang curry chicken, green curry chicken. Oh, what's going on here? The coppers are here. Uh-oh, could be some trouble. Not too sure what's going on there. Just writing down the details though. Doubletree Hilton. Starbucks coffee. No one there. Good. $10 for a coffee. You jam that up here, you know what? Absolutely jam it. Mojito bar. Not many people there. No one sitting at the steps either. Yeah, that's a nice looking place up there, isn't it? Nice stairway to heaven up there. Alright, let's continue our travels. As I said earlier, guys, heaps of people out. Heaps. What's he making? Roast potatoes, are they? Yeah, burnt potatoes they call them here. Haven't heard of burnt potatoes before. Sure they do with cheese and all that type of thing. Bacon, bit of yogurt or whatever, beetroot, yum. Nice. Pomegranate juice. Overtake on the outside. Here I go. Beautiful run. Beautiful run. I'm going for it. Just past the outside the Bangla now hotel. That'll be packed, I guarantee it. Always is, man. This joint must be absolutely dominating now. Absolutely dominating. Always plenty of people in there. Bangla.
Like a Japanese spirit.
Japanese spirit. You people having a chill here, a quiet drink after a feed. Blue Safel or something, isn't it? Blue Saffron, it's called. Enjoyed my trip again. Got to lift my feet a bit more. Man, heaps of Chinese have rocked up in the last couple of days, I tell you. Tons. Good to see everyone out and about. In Thailand doing well. The girl up there having a sing outside the Coco Copper. Don't know the song. Well done.
Thank you so much. Give it up.
Yeah, crowd's going off. Oh, Chino Yard. Market food. Pretty good. Few people in there having a feed. Daily seafood, packed as usual. Holiday Inn Resort. Terrazio restaurant. Usually pretty full, and it has got quite a few people in it. Quite a few. Looks good. I think that restaurant's part of the actual chain of the Holiday Inn. I'm not 100% sure, but it's joined, so maybe, maybe not. Alright. Cruise down here. Surf Lucky joint there on the left. Fangio's coming through. Very busy road. Alright, so we're just heading up to Burasari Resort. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you've been here before. I've stayed here on a number of occasions. I really like it. It's a good hotel, brilliant location, but it's just run down a little bit. Swadika, how are you? It's just run down a little bit, and it's pretty pricey. Pretty pricey, but location is good. Staff are good. Food's good. Alright, guys. Might finish it off here. What's further on? Nothing much. I think Hood is down the end, and that's really about it. There's Burasari Spa. I've had a spa here too, a 2-hour one, mate. This joint's had rewards given to them by heaps of people. There's the prices if you want to see it. Hold that still. So, that's an excellent massage joint. Excellent. And it's part of Burasari Resort too, so interesting. Alright, guys, I will leave it here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe, hit the like button, the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and I'll try and get back to you. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.